In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video in Microsoft PowerPoint Mobile. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open the Microsoft PowerPoint app on your mobile device. This is where you'll be able to access all your presentations and make any necessary edits. Once you have the app open, locate and select the presentation you want to add a video to. This will load your presentation and allow you to make changes to it. Now navigate to the slide where you want to insert the video. This is important because the video will be embedded directly into the slide you choose. With the slide open, tap on the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This action will enable editing mode, allowing you to modify the slide's content. Next, you'll want to tap on the insert option at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a menu of different elements you can add to your slide, such as text, images, and videos. From here, select Video to proceed with inserting your video file. Once that's complete, choose the source of your video. You can either select a video from your device's gallery or opt to insert a video from an online source. If you're using a video from your gallery, simply browse and tap on the video you wish to insert. If you're opting for an online video, you'll need to enter the video's URL. With that out of the way, confirm your selection. The video will now be embedded into your slide. You can adjust its size and position by dragging the corners or moving it around the slide to fit your design needs. Finally, preview your presentation to ensure the video plays correctly. Tap on the play button to see how the video integrates with the rest of your slide content. This step is crucial to make sure everything looks and functions as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a video into your PowerPoint presentation using the mobile app. This feature can greatly enhance your presentations by adding dynamic content that engages your audience.